Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create payment options on Google Forms. So if you're working on Google Forms and if you need to add a payment option, if you have something to sell, then just follow this video. By the end of it, you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is to make a form, doc sheet forms. You can go with forms and uh, just go back and we can search for a paper form. No, let's just go with the blank form first and then we can have an add-on. So for example, I have this iPhone 16 Pro Max, iPhone 16 for sale by Mac Studios. For example, I have this company called Mac Studios and I want to sell iPhones. So iPhones at a good rate. And here I can write iPhone 16 for $500, iPhone 16 Pro for $700, iPhone 16 Pro Max for $1,500. So I have these three iPhones for sale and it's a multiple choice so they can select what they want. We can click here, add-on. Timer for no, we need to have a new add-on that we can use. So let's get those add-ons. Here we can write payable forms. And here you go. You can click on install and it's going to ask for the email. So after putting your email, you just have to wait for a bit until it's going to install it. Click on done. Okay, we're good to go. It's installing it. We're going to select our currency. They have a very limited, I would say, currencies. So we are just going to go with, let's find the most suitable one for us right here. Okay, so they don't have, yeah, they have US dollars. So let's just stick with that. Looks good. Okay, so we have it and we have turned this on. We have payable forms turned on. Okay, so it's right here. So what do we need to do? We just need to ignore all this. Add sample payment section optional. Okay, let's add a sample payment section. Okay, so they have created this for us, but I guess that was not necessary. So let's delete all this because we already have a payment section which is right here. You just have to click here and ignore all of these. And once we click it, they're gonna ask to add a payment method. We can add anyone out of all this, but unfortunately these payment methods are not available in my region, but The video is almost done. What do you need to do? You just need to add the payment methods. And once when you do it, you'll be good to go. The payment method will be added. For example, if you connect your PayPal to this form, your PayPal will be connected. And once, if somebody, for example, if somebody selects, this and then clicks on submit, then the new window will be a form similar to this, and your PayPal link will be right there. And they just need to click it, and they will be uh, redirected to your PayPal with this answer that they have chosen. For example, if somebody wants iPhone 16 Pro, they'll click it, and your PayPal account will get a notification from Google Forms that somebody clicked on iPhone 16 Pro and they want iPhone 16 Pro. So they're going to proceed to the checkout and it will be done. So it's as easy as it is. I hope that you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.